Lawn, since I'm the new president, I want to say that to tell everybody thank you. Thank you for being part of West Lawn. As you can see, we're having a great time right now. This wouldn't be possible without you guys. So hope to see everybody back next year. We'll have more fun, more excitement, more baseball, and more things to come. So from my family to your family, thank you very much. Hope to see you next year for 2014. Thank you.
Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
What's up, West Lawn? This is Mark from the Wild Plain Region. I want to thank everybody for being a part of this family. I want to see it grow. I want to see you guys here next year, and I want to see you guys here during the fall so that we can make things better and bring them back to district title, back to West Lawn. What's up, West Lawn?